Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate tree bark for cake. First, gather your ingredients, including about 300 grams of good quality chocolate and parchment paper. Prepare a clean, dry workspace. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a successful and delicious outcome for your cake decoration. Next, melt your chocolate carefully. A double boiler is ideal, or use a microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well each time. Tempering is crucial for that beautiful shine and snap. Bring the chocolate to about 31 to 32 degrees Celsius for dark chocolate, ensuring it's perfectly smooth and ready to work with. Now, spread your tempered chocolate thinly onto a sheet of parchment paper. Use an offset spatula or a pastry comb to create realistic tree bark textures. Don't worry about perfection. Natural bark is wonderfully imperfect. Let it set slightly at room temperature, just enough so it's firm but still pliable for shaping. Once the chocolate is firm, gently break it into irregular pieces, mimicking natural tree bark. Carefully attach these pieces to the sides of your cake, using a tiny dab of melted chocolate as glue if needed. Arrange them to create a rustic, organic look. Your stunning chocolate tree bark cake is now complete and ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.